Hey everyone, welcome back to the Mind Detective. Today we're tackling a topic that sends shivers down the spines of many. She's pulling away. Phone calls are shorter, texts unanswered, and that spark you once shared feels like a distant memory. But before you panic and launch into full-blown chase mode, hold your horses. Chasing her only pushes her further away. You see, detectives, understanding why she's pulling away is the key that unlocks the solution. It's a mystery we must unravel together. Is it the stress of a demanding job? Perhaps unspoken issues simmering beneath the surface? Maybe she simply craves some space to rediscover herself. Whatever the reason, remember this. Chasing her only reinforces the distance, like clinging to a rope that's already slipping through your fingers. So, what's the first step in this intricate dance of regaining her attention? Embrace the art of strategic indifference. Now don't mistake this for coldness or disinterest. This is about showcasing that you have a vibrant life that thrives even outside her orbit. Pursue your passions, reconnect with old friends, delve into a new hobby, anything that ignites your own spark. This isn't about seeking validation, but about exuding an aura of self-sufficiency. Think of it as planting a seed of curiosity in her mind. If she sees you thriving on your own path, it challenges the assumption that you'll always be waiting, phone in hand. Remember, absence can truly make the heart grow fonder, especially when that absence is filled with self-discovery and genuine enjoyment. But there's another layer to this game, detectives. We must become the masterminds of mystery. Instead of bombarding her with texts and calls, transform into an enigma. Level up your life. Take that online course you've been eyeing, learn a new skill, invest in your personal growth. Remember, confidence is like a beacon in the night, attracting attention without needing to shout. When you radiate self-improvement and a genuine passion for life, you become undeniably magnetic. Let your actions speak louder than words, showcasing the evolved version of yourself. Now, I know the urge to chase her might be overwhelming, but it's crucial to understand that clinging only amplifies her need for space. Instead, create space, not desperation. Give her the room she craves. It doesn't mean ignoring her completely, but respecting her boundaries. Use this time for introspection, for uncovering your own needs and desires. Remember, healthy relationships need room to breathe, allowing each individual to blossom independently. Think of it as fertile soil, nourishing the roots of connection for a stronger, more resilient future. But when you do interact, detectives, shift the focus from desperation to genuine connection. Ask meaningful questions, truly listen to her responses, and show genuine interest in her life beyond the superficial. Share stories, laughter, and experiences that ignite emotional vulnerability. Remember, it's the shared moments of joy, the open and honest conversations, that rekindle the flame of intimacy. Let your interactions be brushstrokes on a canvas of connection, each stroke revealing the depth and authenticity of the man you are. Finally, detectives, remember this. Her actions reflect on her, not you. If she doesn't appreciate the amazing person you are, the kind heart and driven spirit you possess, then that's her loss. Don't chase validation, hold your head high, and know your worth. Focus on your self-worth, cultivate your passions, and radiate the confidence that comes from knowing you deserve someone who cherishes you for who you truly are. Remember, sometimes the greatest love stories begin not with chasing, but with self-discovery and self-respect. So there you have it, detectives. Don't chase, elevate. By embracing these steps, you'll not only make her miss you, but also attract the love and respect you truly deserve. Remember, stay strong, stay mysterious, and stay focused on yourself. This isn't just about winning her back, it's about creating a love story where both partners thrive as individuals and together. Like this video and subscribe for more relationship advice. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Let's build a community of detectives who navigate the complexities of love with wisdom and courage. Remember, you are not alone. We all face challenges in love, but with the right tools and mindset, we can overcome them and create fulfilling connections. Until next time, stay curious, stay mindful, and stay tuned to the Mind Detective, because the greatest mysteries are often the ones we unlock within ourselves.